Hello everyone, welcome to the Zone tutorial. If you're looking to start a new hobby or turn a profit, bar soap making is an amazing skill to learn. In this video, I will walk you through the process and share my expertise and favorite tips to help you create stunning bar soap. Welcome to my channel. Alright guys, first we have our water for our caustic soda. Alright, I will be dropping the measurement somewhere in the video. Then you add it to your caustic soda and mix. Please do not make this mistake that I made. Add your caustic to your water, not your water into caustic. I beg you. Making soap does not mean you should land in the hospital, okay? Mix it properly and set it aside to dissolve. Now this is our soda ash. Okay, I'm using soda ash light. Reason why I'm using warm water so that it will dissolve faster for me, because sometimes this soda ash light is somehow stubborn. If I'm using dense, I don't need it. Okay, so next is our color. Mix your color. I'm using lemon green color. All right, so mix your color in the water and set it aside so that it will dissolve properly to help you have a uniform outcome. All right, this is our production stainless steel pot. You can use bowl, whatever you have around you. Okay, now I'm adding in our PKO. Okay, I use mixed PKO and tallow. I've already mixed it while warming it up. All right, my oil was a bit warm. Okay, not too warm, a bit warm, and I'm sieving it to get all the dirt and particles out of it. Now here is my sodium silicate. I'm adding it sodium silicate to my soda ash that I already dissolved before. Actually, I kept it aside so that it will dissolve very well before adding my sodium silicate to it. Now it's time for us to add in our caustic solution into our oil. I left everything to dissolve between 10 minutes. 10 minutes, everything actually dissolve. Okay, so I added it to my oil. Remember, we have our oil. This is my sieve. I like sieving everything that I'm doing so that all these dirt particles will not stick to my soap. Okay, so because most of these chemicals comes with dirt. Now mix it between 2 minutes. Within 1 to 2 minutes is okay. Mix it till it is well combined so that your caustic and your oil can mix properly. This aspect of the video, you can see me, I did not edit it. Okay, this is just it. Mix it. When your oil and your caustic have fully combined, then you cover your production. Okay, cover it. Don't mind me. This is what I found nearby. I'm looking for the cover of that pot, but I can't get it, so I just have to use what I have. So covered it for about 5 to 10 minutes. At first, when you add it, your caustic, and you cover, check on your soap to know if it has cooked. After 5 minutes, if it's not properly cooked, cover again and leave it for the next 5 minutes. I generated heat within 5 minutes here because I'm using stainless steel pot, which will help me to generate more heat, and my caustic is hot. Remember that. So after opening it, just mix it very well. Please always take your time to mix. My students know me for this. I always tell you, mix and mix. Okay, so set it aside because our soap have gel. This is our solution, our soda ash and silicate solution. Okay, I am sieving it now before I start adding it into it. Do the same. I have videos for my students. They should sort themselves out. They know how to handle all these things. Okay, sieve it. The reason why I'm sieving it before starting to add into my first solution is because when I sieve it like this, it will make it more easier for me to be adding and mixing alongside. Okay, there are some tutors who do this without even including it in the videos. This really helps you to have a unique outcome, fine and beautiful soap without particles or debris in it. Okay, because these chemicals, they do come with debris. All right, you can see what I am doing in this video. I am adding it gradually and I am mixing alongside. This way my soap will not have lumps. My soap is going to come out beautiful. Watch the video and see that I am adding gradually. You can see I'm not rushing it too much. I am adding as I am adding and mixing. I did not edit this video. The part that I edit, you will notice it yourself. Okay, this part now I did not edit it. I'm just adding it and I am mixing it. Keep adding and mixing. This way your soap will come out smoothly, clean, perfect and glossy. Even you will fall in love with your soap. The joy of making production, there is some things you do. Like me, if I make some production, I'll tell myself, wow, congratulations, you did well. Yes, I will look at it. I will still tell myself there are times you make production, you woke up at midnight to go and check on it, because your outcome is one thing that impresses you yourself, and before you will impress others, before others will even comment, you yourself, you should be able to comment and say, yes, I did a great job here. So we added the color. That's just it. It's simple. Lovely, right? Yes, it's lovely. I love the color. For me, I love the color. I love the outcome. I love everything about the soap. So you just add your color and mix it. Okay, my stainless steel pot actually gave me reasons to keep more heat to work on the soap. You can see that the batter is fluidy and lovely. So we are adding in our foam booster. This is the foam booster. We added it and then we mix. This is our homemade foam booster, the one we make. I have different videos, up to 2 videos on foam booster making on this channel. You can go and watch that. Okay, so our fragrance is what I am adding now. Okay, I'll use lemon fragrance. I will write it on the screen too. I use lemon fragrance 20 ml. Yes, I use 20 ml. You can use 10 to 15 ml, depends on the fragrance you're working with, but actually 10 ml is okay. But if you are not working with a good fragrance, use 20 ml or 30 ml. Okay, so our mold is set. Then we piped our soap into our mold. I'm just loving the color of the soap. For me, nothing more. I'm a soap maker. It's my doing every time, every day. So this is it. We are piping our soap. Just having fun with you guys. Merry Christmas in advance and Happy New Year in advance. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, subscribe to my channel. Okay, follow for more. If you're on Facebook, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys, because you guys really encourage me the way I saw subscribers. Even when I first posted the first video, I'm impressed. I love you guys. Love you. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget, we are into soap making. We train on household beauty sanitary cleaning products. We have our soap molds of different sizes available. We have some materials for sales. Okay, and if you need anything, just send me a WhatsApp message to ask. Okay, at this point I'm cutting the soap at 3 inch. You can cut at 3.8 or 3.5 depending on the size. We also determine the price. Okay, so here I cut at 3 inch, which will give me more bars, but if I'm cutting at 4 inch, I'll be getting 10 bars from the mold. Okay, the mold is also available for sales, because I noticed some people said they find it difficult to even get in their areas, or they find it difficult for somebody to help them to cut out the mold. I don't understand, but whatever the reason, I also have it available for my students. They have been buying, and that is it. It's cheap, it's not too costly. Okay, this is our soap. Lovely, right? Love you guys. See you next.